my dear parents and kids. Thank you for joining us again with Lesson 12. In Lesson 12, we continue to teach your child short vowel E three-letter words. We teach eep, eat, eeks words families.
Z, zig, zag, zig. Z, zig, zag, zig. Z, zig, zag, zig. Z, zig, zag, zig. E, down the body and dot for the head. Down the body and dot for the head. Down the body and dot for the head. E, down the body and dot for the head. Down the pirate's plate and around his face. 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 Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Down the tower, across the tower. 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 Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Down the arm and leg. Repeat the other side. Down the arm and leg. Repeat the other side. Down the arm and leg. Repeat the other side. Down the arm and leg. Repeat the other side. Down the stem and throw the leaves. 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 Down, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Down, Maisie, mountain, mountain. Let's learn letter sounds. Z, z. Z for zip. Z for zip. E, e. E for ink. E for ink. For pen. For pen. For hat. For hat. For tap. For tap. For sun. For sun. for X-ray. X for X-ray. For fan. For fan. For man. For man. Let's blend the letter sound. Z, I, t, zip. Z, I, t, zip. Z, I, p, zip. Z, I, p, zip. I, p, lip. I, p, lip. I, p, lip. I, p, lip. H, I, p, hip. H, I, p, hip. I, p, hip. I, p, hip. S, I, t, sit. S, I, t, sit. S, I, t, sit. S, I, t, sit. S, I, x, six. S, I, x, six. I, x, six. S, I, x, six. X, fix. X, fix. X, fix. X, fix. X, mix. X, mix. X, mix. X, mix.
I hope this video will be helpful for your kids to learn English the fun way. Thank you for watching.